guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you my living room decoration ideas, and this video is sponsored by My Gift, and you can check them out at mygift.com. As you can see here, we have a lot of beautiful farmhouse and rustic design. First, we'll start off with this side table, which I think it is so unique. It is taller than most side tables, and it also has a magazine holder, a little area to put your remote control, and also in the front there you'll see a little box, and I like to put my phone in there whenever I'm in the living room. And talking about magazine holders, I put lots of books like devotionals for me and the ones I use for my kids. I especially like this side table because my couch is actually a sleeper that can turn into a bed, and having this right by it, it's perfect. So we always know where our remote control is, and this special spot for your phone, it's really nice. But also, if you have multiple remote controls, you can also put that in here. You probably have noticed the greenery I have on top of that, and that is a lavender plant. It is artificial, and I love how it gives this side table a lively look. Even though it is artificial, it looks so good. Next, I want to talk about this coffee table, you guys. These are industrial pipes, and it is a torched wood color. I love how it gives such a rustic look in this living room. And to style this coffee table, I have this white serving tray and these cute succulent plants. This is a set of 4, but I have the 3 on there, and you'll see the other one later. And on the bottom of that, I love putting my laptop and my iPad, because this living room, the way it's styled, it just makes me want to be in there because it's so comforting and cozy. So I love working in here and watching my movies at the same time, because that is how I do. And you know me, I always have a cup of coffee. By the way, you guys, this coffee table is very lightweight, so if you ever need to move them closer to you or away, or if you really need to move it out of the way, if you work out in your living room like I do, it is super light. Next is this super cute crate style shelf, you guys. I really like this on the other side of my couch, and I put a wastebasket on the bottom because you need trash in there, but it needs to look cute. And I do have my books and a cute bunny. On top of that, I have a tissue box cover, which is so cute. My gift has the cutest things. I really like this so much because it is big, but not too big. And if you have bad allergies like I do, get a tissue, but also don't forget to throw it away, okay? Before I move on, I want to show you guys this tissue cover real quick. It opens from the bottom, and you definitely can't see any ugliness. So yeah, this is whitewash wood, so it will match everything you have in there. That lavender plant does come in a set of 2, and the other one I put it in here with the bunny. I hope you guys like this idea for the side tables, and I hope you will check them out in the links below. If you have a piano in your living room and wondering how to style it, this ceramic flower vase is perfect for it. It's marbled and it's white, so it matches everything. And oh, there's the 4th succulent plant. Let me talk to you about this blanket ladder. It is a vintage white wood, and I especially love it. It's my favorite. Oh my gosh. I like to pick like a beige and some sort of black. And if you have a basket, you definitely need that, and put random pillows on top, and it's perfect, you guys. And you cannot forget a greenery as well. I'm sure you can put more than 2 blankets, but I like limiting it to 2 because it just looks really nice like that. Finally, last but not least, is the fireplace area. It looks so gloomy with that dark gray, so find lighter baskets. This crate right here comes in a set of 2, and I like to put this cute vase right here. That comes in a set of 2 also, and it looks so good in there. For the mantle area, we do have a TV in there, and this is the other crate from the other one that we saw earlier on the bottom part. And I'm using it to lift this lantern up because on the other side there's also another lantern, but it is very tall. And for the other side, this is the other ceramic vase that you saw earlier again. And I put green stems over there to add a pop of color and to kind of balance the other green on the bottom. This is just a nice and a beautiful way to cover those cables that you have behind your TV, and it looks gorgeous. Alright guys, that is it for my living room decoration ideas. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you got some great ideas to make your living room more comforting and cozy. Don't forget to check out all the links for the products that you saw in this video, and thank you again, My Gift, for partnering with me to give you guys all of this beautiful living room decoration ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!